How to back up your RefWorks library. If you have been using RefWorks for your research, you know how important it is to keep your library safe. Backing up your RefWorks library is a smart way to protect your hard work. Let's go through the steps to ensure your references are secure. First, you will want to access the Backup and Restore feature. Open your RefWorks account and look for the Tools menu or the References menu. From there, select Backup and Restore. This feature allows you to save a copy of your entire reference database. Next, you will need to choose your backup options. By default, the option to include references is already selected. This means all your saved references will be included in the backup. You can also decide whether to include or exclude RSS feeds and custom output styles based on what you need. Before you perform the backup, check your folders. If you have any folders that do not contain references, those folders will not be saved. If you want to keep those empty folders, make sure to add at least one reference to them before backing up. Now it is time to perform the backup. Click on Perform Backup. This action will create a backup file in a proprietary format known as RWB. This file will be saved directly to your computer. Keep in mind that this file cannot be opened or edited directly, but you can restore it later into RefWorks if needed. Make sure to save this backup file in a safe location on your computer or an external drive. This file acts as a snapshot of your library and can be used to restore your data if necessary. If you prefer a more accessible backup format, you can export your references. To do this, go to the All References view. Click on the Share icon in the toolbar and select Export References. Choose a file format that suits your needs. Common formats include RIS, which is widely supported. Download the exported file to your computer. This file can be opened or imported into other reference managers or another RefWorks account. If you ever need to restore your RefWorks library, return to the Backup and Restore menu. Select Perform Restore, browse to find your backup file, and upload it. Be cautious, as restoring will overwrite your current library data, so only restore when necessary. To keep your library safe, it is a good idea to back up your RefWorks library regularly. This is especially important before making major changes or if you are moving to a new account or institution. Keeping multiple backup copies in different locations, like cloud storage or external drives, can help prevent data loss. Using the export option gives you a human-readable backup that can be used outside of RefWorks. Always check your folders for empty ones if you want to maintain your organizational structure. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the restore process so you can quickly recover your data if you accidentally delete something or face technical issues. Backing up your RefWorks library is a simple yet effective way to ensure your research references and organizational work remains secure and accessible.